Hi everyone, my name is Bruce Swartz. I don't know what went on. I just posted a video this morning. This is video number 2. I redid it. I thanked Christy Lindsay. I thanked Eric Whidden, which I will again at the end of this video. Thanks guys for the generous contributions. I love you for it. Merry Christmas holidays to you all. And that's what I had said in the last video, but there's some affiliate page or channel. I was flagged by a channel called Crow777. We all know Crow777. But there's something wrong because now he's saying that it wasn't him, I think. I'm not sure. This is the last minute information that came in. And listen, I'm not a bad guy. I'm not going to put anyone down. I am upset that the video was flagged, but maybe there's a valid reason that Crow777 flagged this video or that it was flagged. We'll wait and see what happened. I'm going to try to get in contact with Crow to find out why my last video was taken down because Crow, I would never use any of your footage, bro. I don't use other people's footage, man. So I'm assuming this is a YouTube error or something without jumping the gun or accusing any channels. I mean, Crow, I'm sub to you, man. I mean, I'm not a guy that thrashes anyone. Absolutely not. I vouch for the Lunar Wave and I vouch for most of the work that he does. But we'll wait and see what happens. This, once again, is the footage from yesterday, December 23rd. The holidays are coming up, guys. I'll be full-time in January. So when I go back to work, I got a week left of going back to work. Those just arriving here. Because I want to do this full-time. I have another job, a full-time job. And I'm taking leave from it to do this research full-time. I need all of your support. In other words, don't change exactly what you guys are doing because you guys are absolutely amazing. Over 45,000 people right now here on the channel that are interested and curious as me, just as curious as me, as finding out what's up there on the moon. We're doing good progress, guys. We're doing some good research with the 14-inch telescope. I'm able to see so much of the UFOs, the activity on the surface, even finding now to the point of possible creatures. Crow777 had posted the Lunar Wave. I was able to get that vaguely, not as clear as him at all, but proof that that lunar wave exists. It's something very rarely seen. So Crow777, yeah, it is the affiliate lab something, Crow777. If you want to know what was flagged, and it was flagged. I'm barred from being able to show it in any country. And they said I would have to fork over the funds with my ads to you, Crow777, if I was to put it up. So if there was a mistake, and I most likely hope there was, and I'm happy that I'm starting to hear from people in the comment section that maybe you didn't flag it deliberately or at all, from what I heard. I don't know your email. I mean, I don't even know where to start to try to reach you, bro. I'd have to go and see. Bruce Swartz 75acommercial@gmail.com is mine. But yeah, it was flagged, so the video is down. I'll try to get it up again and see if it happens, but I disputed it. That's what I did in the analytics to the YouTube team. So I don't know what's going to happen with the video, but I was really disappointed when I saw that. So if it's a mistake, well, great, but now I can't get that darn video up. It was all my footage, I assure you, that I posted in it. That's for sure. And for whatever reason, there's a certain part that they say it was your footage. I have no idea. So guys, this is the footage from yesterday, December 23rd. I'm going to stay up late tonight and get a lot more footage up for you all. Some really cool footage. And this is from yesterday. And do you see how it's got like waves going through it, almost lunar wave-ish. But the lunar wave is something that's very rare. We rarely see it. Something I've rarely seen. I've only seen it once. And in yesterday's video, I did have a bit of a glimpse of it. Too bad we weren't able to get it up. Once the dispute is over, I guess I'll be able to repost that video. Thanks for the generous contributions, everyone, and the help and the support to this channel. It's greatly appreciated. Christy Lindsay and Eric Whidden, I love you guys for the generous support, and welcome to the community. Looking forward to interact with you all in the comment section. I'm still mad. I'm still mad. Posting that video up before, and Affiliate Lab Crow777 claimant is the one that says flagged it as being his material. So there's a part in the video, I don't know how many seconds, that he says it's his footage. You know, I wish you would have talked to me about it first, bro, because I would have been able to prove it to you. All right. But anyhow, guys, I'll be up all night, by the way. Listen, I'm gonna get some more footage up late tonight. I'm not going to bed. I'm going to this is video number 2, but of course video number 1, I'm not gonna say it again. And thanks for stopping by, everyone. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. I'll be very present tomorrow for Christmas, wishing you all a Merry Christmas, and I'll be up on early comments, answering all the comments in the last videos. Thanks for the support, everyone. UFOs on the surface of the moon is what we are seeing in my footage in the videos. I've even caught, like the last video, the lunar wave, but unfortunately it was flagged by Crow777. So I must have at least said his name 76 times in the video. Can't believe I was subbed to that goon. Anyways, guys, people are gonna flag videos. Shit's gonna happen on the channels, you know, jealousy, whatever. It's Christmas. I love you all, and the only important thing is that all of you coming here is because you believe in the research and you're curious, and I so appreciate it, and you guys are all that counts. This channel is all that counts, guys. More coming up tonight. I'll be up really late, guys, all night for sure, and I'll be getting videos up. Those just arriving that don't know, in January, I'll be doing this full time for you guys. I'll be getting some sun videos up, more UFOs and stars, and I thank you all so much. Christy Lindsay and Eric Whittam. I mentioned it the last video. A special thanks to you guys for the generous contributions, but of course, the video was flagged by Crow777. Thanks a lot for the support, everyone. More on its way tonight or tomorrow morning.